Hey guys, welcome back. Welcome back for another video. Today we are making baked ziti quick and easy meals. Tune in, make sure you like, comment, subscribe, share my video, comment below, let me know what you think. I have more videos coming, just haven't really posted yet, like an unfurnished apartment, townhouse tour, things like that. So stay tuned. All right, you guys, so now I got my pots and pans going. I got my beef, getting ready to put my beef in the pan. Got my oil boiling for my noodles. I'm using egg noodles for everything. For this one, I'm using egg noodles. So I'm going to just let that still kind of not really soft. So I'm putting that in there and let that just cool down a little bit and soften up. So now I'm adding my egg noodles into the water that has been boiling for a few minutes. I'm going to add those in. This is my first time cooking in my brand new townhouse, in my brand new kitchen. I'm super excited to show y'all, my new stove and everything. Don't y'all love it? All black appliances. Don't y'all love it? Yes. So we're just going to get this together, make sure everything's good. I'm adding some black pepper to my meat. Then I want to go ahead and add a complete seasoning. That's my new favorite seasoning salt. Complete seasoning is my new favorite. Then I'm going to add my Creole. Y'all love my Creole. I love the spiciness that it brings to the dinner, to the meat, basically. So I'm just going to add that together. Put that in. This is the first time I'm actually making baked ziti on my channel. Yes. Then we're going to add our Prego. Yes, Prego. For the Prego. Prego. There we go. Yes, adding the Prego in. This is what we're about to do right now. Yes. If y'all have any cooking ideas, please let me know. Let me know. Listen, I'm going to stop talking. I really wanted to do like a cook with me instructions, but y'all know how to make baked ziti. So I'm going to go in with a little music piece and we're going to get it popping. Yes. Right here, you guys, I just added some leftover sauce that I had from the other day. Put it in the refrigerator, waited till I could use it again. product, y'all. This is it, my baked ziti, y'all. First time making this in my brand new kitchen in my new place. What y'all think? Let me know. I'll let you know. Like, subscribe, hit the notification button, and let me know what you think about this video. Anyways, alright. Talk to y'all later.